Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get a custom crosshair on Xbox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now one of the first options you have is app overlays. You can go ahead to your Xbox Play Store or whatever there is there and search for a sort of crosshair overlay. Crosshair should be available in Xbox. There are other apps that exist like Crosshair X over here, but unfortunately this specific tool doesn't really overload in Xbox because you can't really download the app in the console specifically. So this one pretty much only works on PC, but there should be a specific app that you can download in Xbox, which should be Merbong Crosshair. Now another option, which is a bit too far, is to use a monitor that does have the crosshair. Now maybe your monitor does have a feature, a gaming feature, that allows you to change or add a certain crosshair in the settings, which should look a bit something like this. You can go to the Game Plus or something, and then just choose from the available crosshairs that the monitor has. There's also in-game crosshair customization. So some games on Xbox often offer built-in options to customize your crosshair, especially for those FPS games or Battle Royale games like in Fortnite. You can adjust the crosshair color, thickness, and opacity within the game settings. Exploring the settings menu of your favorite games may reveal similar customization options. And finally, one of the only options you can have, because, Xbox doesn't really support Crosshair X or Crosshair V2, which is the DIY solutions. So, over to your monitor, of course, just go ahead and get yourself some tape or something, or pretty much anything that can stick to the screen and whatever crosshair you want. The pro of this thing is that you can pretty much design whichever crosshair you want. But anyways, with that, all you have to do is pretty much line it up within to the middle of your screen. And then you're going to pretty much have your own DIY and custom crosshair. I don't really see any cons to this other than you have to pretty much build it or draw it yourself, so it might be inconsistent. So if you do try this option, just go ahead and use some sort of ruler or something. But anyways, those are the only options you currently have in order to have a crosshair on your console, specifically your Xbox. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get a custom crosshair on Xbox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.